London Heathrow Tower. Papa Juliet Charlie Uniform Romeo. Ready for departure at runway 27 left. Departing east.
Papa Juliet Charlie Uniform Romeo, wind 170 at 18, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 27 left. Papa Juliet Charlie Uniform Romeo.
London Heathrow Tower, 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Romeo is 11 nautical miles to the southeast at 3,000 feet, requesting transition.
Eight Papa Bravo Alpha Romeo, transition approved at or above 3,000.
Transition approved at 3,000, 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Romeo. London Heathrow Tower, Bravo 5826, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing north.
Bravo 5826, line up and wait runway 27 left.
Line up and wait runway 27 left, Bravo 5826.
London Heathrow Tower, Singapore 322, inbound on the ILS runway 27 right with information kilo. London Heathrow Tower, American Flight 1 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing north. Singapore 322, number 2, runway 27 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Singapore 322.
London Heathrow Tower, Shuttle 1406, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing north.
Bravo 5826, wind 170 at 18, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Shuttle 1406, hold short at runway 27 left.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Bravo 5826.
Papa Juliet Charlie Uniform Romeo, contact Heathrow Director on 120.4.
Holding short runway 27 left. Shuttle 1406. Contacting Heathrow Director on 120.4. Papa Juliet Charlie Uniform Romeo.
Juliet 2 Oscar Oscar Oscar, when able turn left, contact ground on the taxiway.
Wilco, Juliet 2 Oscar Oscar Oscar.
American Flight 1 Heavy, wind 170 at 18, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, American Flight 1 Heavy.
London Heathrow.
Singapore 322, when able turn left, contact ground on the taxiway. Wilco, Singapore 322. 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Romeo, contact Heathrow Director on 120.4. American Flight 1 Heavy, please check the user guide from the home screen to help using ATC instructions.
Contacting Heathrow Director on 120.4. 8 Papa Bravo Alpha Romeo.
Shuttle 1406, line up and wait runway 27 left.
Line up and wait runway 27 left. Shuttle 1406.
London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 18 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 27 right.
Speedbird 18 Heavy, number 2, runway 27 right, cleared to land. London Heathrow Tower, Victor Tango Golf X-Ray Yankee Super, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 27 right, Speedbird 18 Heavy.
Victor Tango Golf X-Ray Yankee Super, hold short at runway 27 left, hold in short runway 27 left, Victor Tango Golf X-Ray Yankee Super. Shuttle 1406, wind 170.